Hello there, thanks for joining another video. Today we're also looking at a pottery piece, and since the World Cup is coming, I thought we should talk about a little ball. So today this little ball is for pure decoration. The octogram here is in the shape of a star, and we will touch on that later. From this tilted angle, you can see that the colors sort of got a little light. This is a normal physical and chemical change when the bisque pottery is being fired, and then it's very different from the kiln transformation. This would remove the moisture and burn off organic matter. Usually the temperature would be around 800 to 1000 degrees Celsius. As we turn this ball, we can see that it is composed of 3 parts of decorations. The 2 flowers on both sides, and then the middle is lined with those stars. As I'm turning, you might have already noticed that there are holes in it. It actually makes the sounds of bells, which might suggest that it could be a wind chime, though I'm not completely sure about that. Now when we look at this picture, we see that there are actually tiny triangles marking the edge of the flower petals, and oval lines between patterns are kind of crooked. Finally, I want to talk about this flower having 8 petals and the appearance of octograms in other cultures. In Islamic arts, octograms is a constant shape that appears, and in this picture from the Metropolitan Museum is an 8-pointed star-shaped tile dating in the 13th century. For them, octograms symbolized cosmic order, divine balance, and infinity. It is the 8 points that represent the 8 doors of heaven. There's also the tradition of star forts in Europe, and in this picture you can see from this YouTube video that it has an octogram shape. I think it's a very interesting aspect of how the Western world imagined the stars of the night sky, which all had some relation to the universe. Now when we look back to the stars on the artifact, perhaps the artist had some feeling about the universe and was depicting the cosmic order. I imagine that maybe he's referring to the yin-yang bakwa, which had 8 elements of the heavens, the earth, thunder, wind, water, fire, mountains, and marshes or lakes. Last interesting thing was, when I was looking at this object, I thought that this octogram star actually looked kind of like a compass. Who knows if the artist used it as an inspiration. Up to this point, I really want to thank for your patience of finishing this video, and please grab yourself a treat, like maybe an orange from the freezer, just like because it's round and it matches this cute little ball. So have a great day. Bye!